Okay, so I never thought that I would be excited about a kitchen scale, but I am excited about this one. I received this as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. This thing is cool. It has an app, it tracks your food, it's got some really cool stuff here. So let me show you how it works. Here we go. The tear button turns it on. You just touch it, says hello, and you long press this to turn it off, or it will automatically shut off in 120 seconds. It has 4 AAA batteries that it comes with. This is the unit button, so it will cycle through grams, mLs, pounds, ounces, and then these arrows will cycle through different types of food, several, I think it's up to 50. So I'm on the strawberry here. I'm also on grams, and I'm gonna put a bowl here, and it's weighing the bowl, but I wanna weigh my strawberries. So I'm going to press tear again to zero out the scale, and then I'm going to weigh my strawberries, and it's 186 grams, and then this section where it says strawberry is giving me my macros. 58, 59 calories, and it shows the fat, the carbs, and the protein of the food that I selected. Now, let's take a quick look at the app. This thing is so cool. So I added a few more strawberries to my bowl, and it weighed out at 209 grams. I open the app and look at that. It shows the 209 grams, and then I also chose strawberries on here, and it's giving me all of the macros, and then I can log it. Now, I can also log whatever I eat, regardless of whether I use the scale or not. I can log that food, and it will track my calories and my macros. Also, remember I showed you I picked strawberries on the scale. You can customize it and add your own frequently used foods that you're weighing into the app as well. So really, really neat. It was really easy setup. I connected to Bluetooth. I put my height, weight, and it is calculating things for me. So very, very cool, smart scale. I recommend this. I am geeking out over this food scale. Thanks.